Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best stainless steel bakeware that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Spring Chef Dough Blender. These are some of the best stainless steel bakeware utensils for their sturdiness and durability. Their thick metal blades will help you to get the best taste and texture from all your baked foods. They also have a soft and cozy grip handle that suits medium and small-sized hands. Lastly, as compared to plastic utensils, they have a thick rubber that's safe for arthritis patients. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Searzall Culinary Torch Attachment. This is an innovative modification fixed at the top of baking blowtorches. It's meant to create a more appealing searing temperature free from the awful scents that are also common when cooking or baking with blowtorches. The thin flames pass a high heat-resistant mesh of wire, providing an evenly spread, professional, and consistent finish to your food. At number 3, we have the round loose bottom 44513 quiche pan from Fox Run. Made from the highest quality non-stick coating and carbon steel, this is one of the most remarkable bakeware kitchen utensils on this list. With it, your baked foods get an amazing browning because of its consistent heat distribution. Once you are through baking your delicious pies and tarts, you can safely remove them with this impressive round, 9-inch pan. At number 2, we have the Checkered Chef Baking Racks for cooling. These stainless steel bakeware are 100% rust and warp resistant, not to mention entirely safe for use. They provide optimum circulation of air for all your baked foods such as cupcakes, cookies, and muffins. Their grid design creates an improved distribution of heat and even allows grease and oil to drip through. They are therefore perfect for not only baking but also roasting. And finally, at number 1, we have the 3-tier Elite Cooling Rack from Wilton Excelle. Do you enjoy baking but you find yourself confined to a small space? Well, this quality cooling rack is the best solution to your problem. With it, you can cool your cake, cookies, and even finger foods seamlessly. It's also collapsible for more accessible storage. Love to bake but have limited space? This 3-tiered cooling rack just solved that problem. It expands to 3 racks that stack on top of each other so you can cool batches of cookies, cake layers or countless finger foods all at once without sacrificing counter space. Once done, it collapses right back down for easy storage. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.